Compost Cartoon. Down in the dirt where the weird stuff sleeps. Worms hum hymns, but they're off keys. They don't judge, they just wiggle along. Yeah, down in the dirt is where I belong.
It's good to see you. Come on in. I'm the missus of this channel. This little avatar pops into your day as we explore vermicomposting, red wigglers, and our tiny compost bin world. All the wigglers you will be meeting are inspired by my real family. Every quirk, every bit of chaos transformed into adorable, compost-loving, worm versions of the people that I love. So let me introduce you to the family that keeps this bin wiggling.
I'm the wise one who's seen every compost cycle twice, and I'm here in loving memory of a father deeply missed.
I'm Grandma Wiggler. I'm the heart of these bins, Tal. I somehow keep everyone grounded.
I'm Dave Wiggler in a house. I'm always ready to lend a hand or tell a joke.
I'm Austin Wiggler, sexy, the operator of this crew. Always keeping the bin secure.
Hi, I'm Yuna. I'm just keep everyone calm in the chaos swells. I always bring the good vibe.
Hey there, name's Kayla Wiggler. I'm the ranch hand of the soil, keeping everything tip-top shape.
Hey there, Ray. I'm Mark Wiggler. I create the melody of the bin jar. I keep everyone grooving.
The little spark of the bin fad. Joyful, curious, and always on the move.
Hey there, Trat. I'm Zach Wiggler. I create the rhythm of the code, house, keeping every line in sync.
Now that you have met the family, let's meet the furry four-legged friends of ours. Lila, oh Lila, our loyal compost pup who is always watching over the family, getting into mischief, and helping when it is not needed. Boone is the steady roller, turning pressure into progress and making sure things move along. Manny is the gentle hum of the bin, bringing love, joy, and dreams to the soil. Bailey, our old man, is the tiny jumper with very big energy, keeping the compost breathing somehow. So when you meet the Wigglers, you're really meeting my family, each one with their own story, their own wiggle, and their own way of turning scraps into gold. So if you're into worm bin care, soil health, or turning kitchen scraps into garden gold, you're in the right place. Let's open the bin and see what the Wigglers are up to today.